Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Today we're gonna take a look at HUAWEI Band 4 Pro. Very good, stylish band for workout guidance and with special built-in GPS and multiple features that will help you track your lifestyle and improve it in a better way. It's very convenient and beautiful. Let's unpack it and see how it looks, and we'll tell a little bit more about the specifications. Here we have our quick guides and warranty card in a special pocket. Here is the band itself. It's available in 3 colors: red, pink and black. And here is the section for the charger and the charging cable. Pretty basic set that comes with HUAWEI Band 4 Pro. You know, lifestyle trackers these days are extremely popular, including this beautiful HUAWEI Band 4 Pro, and it has multiple features that helps you to improve your lifestyle and everything connected to it. We will check the band. Let me turn it on. You know from the previous watch that I made review that when you have a HUAWEI product, you need to have the HUAWEI Health app and register the band in it. You go to devices section and then you choose HUAWEI Band 4 Pro E18 and you connect here. Then from the health manager you can track the most important stuff that your band registers during the day. We see beautiful 0.95-inch AMOLED display with lively colors. Within the menu you can find multiple cool, stylish watch faces that you can put in order to customize the band the way you like. The rubber band of the HUAWEI Band 4 Pro is changeable and you can choose from different colors. Here are the sensors on the back. We have the heart rate monitor sensor, TrueSync 3.5, and we have the infrared sensors that measure oxygen saturation. Let me put it on my wrist and we will check all of the specifications and functions. These bands are based on very special artificial intelligence technology in order to track the best way everything you do. I will put here the fact that soon guys expect a review of Mi Band 5 from Xiaomi. You know we have of Mi Band 4. And we can do comparison afterwards. Oh, I put it the wrong direction, of all of the bands. As you see guys, it's easy to put. And there are multiple holes here. That means it won't be super tight or super loose. You can basically find the perfect fit for your hand. Now let's check the menu. Here is the watch face. We can see the Bluetooth connection and the battery percentage. We can also see the date, the steps that I have done during the day and the calories that I have burnt. Let's look deeper into the menu. Here is the pedometer, 7,006 steps, 70% of the daily steps that I need to do. This is the TrueSync 3.5 special heart rate sensor, heart rate measurement sensor. Let's measure my heart rate. You need to stay still for the measurement. 77 beats per minute, that's a good number. 74 right now. If the number is too high, it gives vibration, so it can warn you to calm down. Go back into the menu. This is one very cool feature, is the oxygen saturation level meter. The oxygen saturation is something very important. It can lead to multiple diseases if you are actually tracking the condition of it. Let's track it. You need to fasten the band tightly and hold still. It's measuring. 92% on 80 beats per minute. In the Huawei Health application you can find more information about why oxygen saturation is something important. Continue with the menu. Here is our sleep tracker, 7 hours and 39 minutes for me. In the application you can get more information about the different phases of the sleep, because it has a special software called True Sleep 2.0 that measures and distinguishes the phases of the sleep. We continue with workout. You can choose between 12 different modes. Also, the watch has the ability to recognize if you're doing something right now or you're staying still. And if you're staying still more than 30 minutes, it gives you notification. If you start running or climbing, the watch will recognize that and immediately will put you in the workout mode. Here is the more settings menu. From here you can choose timer, stopwatch, and the faces that I want to show you. Here they are. There is more iconic ones, more spacious, spacey ones. You can choose between different and very cool looking. I personally like this one. The GPS is super accurate. It can recognize your location. The band receives notifications, and if somebody calls you, you can respond or you can close the call, but you can't speak like when it was with the GT2 watch. Basically, that's it with the main menu. Watch has a gyroscope and it can monitor the perspiration, which is if you start sweating, the watch will actually register that. As I told you before, you saw many cool features. The workout manager is actually amazing, and the heart rate true scene sensor also. The moment you start working out, you see in which portion of the workout what is your heart rate. And for example, if it's from 80 to 120, that's a warm-up phase. You have a fat burning phase, and you have an aerobic and anaerobic phase. And it all depends on the results that you actually want. This watch helps you the best way possible. I think that's one of the best basic fitness trackers that I have ever reviewed. Beautiful interface. The battery life, forgot to mention. It's around a week approximately if you use all of the settings on and everything, Bluetooth, brightness, pedometer, true scene sensor, everything. If it's on, it will be last around a week. So girls, boys, I advise you to get the black one. Girls, I advise to get the pink one. I actually wanted to pick one, but they gave me this one. I like it. HUAWEI Band 4 Pro is very good, stylish watch, smart band, I would say. Workout guidance, GPS, artificial intelligence, everything to keep good track on your life. So I advise you to check in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video.